Hi colleagues, this is the next release of Q&A, and today we will find out what is a CCRP in the EGDIS.
One more sharp question: what is a CCRP? CCRP stands for Consistent Common Reference Point, which is a location on OpenShip to which all horizontal measurements such as target range, bearing, relative course speed, closest point of approach, or time to closest point of approach are referenced. EGDIS stands for Electronic Chart Display and Information System, which is a computer-based navigational system that uses electronic charts and integrates various navigational information such as radar, AIS, and GPS. As example, CCRP in EGDIS is important for ensuring the accuracy and consistency of the measurements and the display of the OpenShip's position, outline, and antenna. EGDIS should provide facilities to compensate for the offset between antenna position and the CCRP on installation, and to indicate the CCRP and the selected antenna on the graphic of OpenShip's outline. EGDIS should also use a common reference system with the added navigational information such as radar overlay and AIS targets.
Here is an example of a common reference point preset up in one of the EGDIS software on the market. In addition, we also add a verbal comment. CCRP, Consistent Common Reference Point, in the context of EGDIS, Electronic Chart Display and Information System, refers to a critical concept for navigation. Ignoring of the CCRP correct preset up and understanding of it may influence on measurement from OpenShip. When using radar and EGDIS measurements such as range rings, target range, bearing, cursor, and tracking data, they should be made with respect to the consistent common reference point. This reference point is typically the conning position on the ship. Facilities should be provided to compensate for any offset between the antenna position and this consistent common reference point during installation. If multiple antennas are installed, the radar system should allow different position offsets for each antenna, and these offsets should be applied automatically when any radar sensor is selected. Also, OpenShip scaled outline appears on the EGDIS display. The EGDIS display should include the scaled outline of the ship, and this is a must-have function. The consistent common reference point and the position of the selected radar antenna should be indicated on this graphic. Position of the CCRP when the radar picture is centered. The position of the consistent common reference point should be at the center of the bearing scale. The off-center limits apply to the position of the selected antenna. Also, we can conduct the range measurements, which should be in nautical miles. Remember that fact. Additionally, facilities for metric measurements may be provided on the lower range scales. At the same time, radar targets should be displayed on a linear range scale without a range index delay. Remember that EGDIS is a critical tool for safe navigation, and officers should be familiar with its functions, including manual position plotting and cross-referencing GPS positions with visual and radar range and bearings.